Hey spirit boosters, how y'all doing? Welcome back to the channel. All the spirit boosters that are left. I love it. I hope you guys have been doing well and taking care of yourself, doing what you love to do, your hobbies, your treatments, your explorations, whatever it is you're doing. You want to share it in the comments, please do so. Love it. Well, I'm feeling a whole lot better. Changing your diet surely does help. Lost another pound. Going slow this time because getting all this stress off my limbs, my body, is helping me be able to I'm moving around a little bit better and without so much pain, because as the pounds go down, my legs, oh my goodness, it helps the pain in my legs, it relieves it. The inflammation is something else. I don't know how I was doing it, but it was hurting all the time when so much extra weight. It's not a good thing, and don't I know it. But enough of that. As y'all can see, these are some collard greens I'm having for dinner today. In the sink, I got a whole chicken I'm about to put in this rotisserie right here. Excuse all the junk y'all see in the background. Yeah, this is my rotisserie right here. I'm about to put my chicken in there. I gotta clean that. I need to paint that thing with some heat black paint down there in the bottom. Kitchen heat black paint. Yeah. But anyway, I'm taking the whole chicken, cleaning it in the sink. Gonna rotisserie that, and those down there in the sink are those tough ass collard green stems I pulled off from the back. Ripped the spine right off these greens. And I'm gonna bake me a yam. So I'm gonna have a pretty nice little meal. Still no sodium. I ain't doing low sodium, I'm doing no sodium. And I'm just drinking water, no diet, nothing. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. So, what else I got to tell y'all? I've been on my gardening channel, and I've been on my crafting channel. And now I'm back on this channel today. Y'all, I might have to let this channel go and come back in here incognito, because I am keeping a record. I don't think my channel is in the well, thinking ain't the word for it. I know my channel is not in the well, I need me a new dish pan. I can't stand on them dishes when the dish pan get all beat up, greased up and everything. I need a new one. I gotta remember where I got that one. But anyway, changing back to what I'm talking about. I need to even though it's mine tonight, it don't even matter, because if that channel gonna be treated like that, I need to get rid of that channel. Maybe it's being treated that way because maybe it's meant to discourage me and to make me want to go, give up, quit, throw my hands up in the air, wave them like I just don't care. Somebody wants to discourage me, but I love the Lord. I know God. I stay in my prayers. I know God loves me. I can't let the devil trick me and make me think that God don't love me. And this is all because something I'm doing. I am doing nothing wrong. And some of this other stuff I see on this platform. Every day somebody talking about this, that, and the other, and then you wait, that, this, and that other ain't happening. But the news in LA County, it's a BA something, Omarion strand, and it's taking folks out. I think the last time I checked on it, 100 people had died out here. That's a lot. And they saying they about to reinstate the mask mandate when you go inside stores and stuff like that. I never stopped wearing my mask, and I couldn't believe the looks that my husband and I were getting, because because we decided to keep our masks on. Now folks dying, getting sick. Now they got this terrible new strand. They saying it's a mother. It's killing folks. The hospitals filling up again. So they say, yeah, I guess allegedly by the end of the month out here in LA County, whatever, they about to reinstate the mask mandate. Because folks sick, people don't tell you they got it, they had it, they ain't quarantined. People are not following any rules. It's just every man for themselves out here in these streets these days. That's right. It's just everybody for themselves. You got sense to do this, that, and other, then you need to follow your heart and do what you think is best for you and your family, because who wants to lose a loved one? And a lot of loved ones have died. Yep, a lot of black people, especially in New York, when it first came out, a whole bunch of black people died from the coronavirus. And now folks dying again, especially in the underprivileged, poor communities that don't get the same treatment as some other communities, which is ridiculous. Unequal treatment is crazy. But I'm sure if you don't know, you need to start researching what's going on in this world. But hey, I just report what I see and read, and tell y'all, if y'all feel some kind of way, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Like a whole bunch of folks, they did the right thing, removing themselves from this channel, because this channel is not for you if you cannot stand to hear what's going on, facts, truth. You know what's happening, and you're feeling some kind of way, you got to move on. Go do you while I do me. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. What have I watched lately? I watched Coma. I like that movie. I watched Betrayal. Coma is that movie with Michael Douglas, and I forgot the lady name, when they were killing folks, putting people in comas just to sell their body parts. That's an old movie. And I told y'all I watched what else? Gypsy Rose Lee. Y'all know they got that movie, the dinosaur movie is on Prime now to be rented for $20. It was at the movies, now they rent it for $20. Y'all don't know. Y'all want to see that movie? Because I'm still not entering the theaters. Now I just mentioned for the people out here in Cali, y'all didn't know, if Miss JENITA is informing y'all, and y'all didn't know that the virus is killing folks quickly, it's deadly, it's contagious, and now they talking about reinstating the mask mandate by the end of the month. That's what I read. Check it out for yourself. That's why I did not go to the movies. Heck no. Getting that nasty virus. I got a few years left, and I want to enjoy them without being sick from the virus. I'm already sick from being overweight. Yeah, my disability is also being overweight, and it caused me major health problems. So I'm not telling nobody to stop shoving food in their mouth on all kinds of snacks, goodies, pies, and fruits and cakes. Enjoy yourself until you get to enjoy yourself. I'll just tell you how I'm doing, what's working for me. If you want to know, I guess you'll watch this video. But anyway, I just came through to holler at y'all. Y'all know y'all ain't seeing my face. I guess I could turn around and say bye-bye. Hold on. Hey, Spirit Boosters. It's turn the camera around. Do on something so y'all can see Miss JENITA in the flesh. Oh, but yeah. California people, be careful. Have you a mask if you don't want, if you don't care. Hey, I have to care. But if you dare, don't say you weren't warned about what's going on in these streets. Fatalities. That coronavirus is no joke. Then they say they ran out of vaccine for the monkeypox. I've seen an article, people lined up to get a monkeypox shot, but they said that vaccine is low in supply, and folks want to get a monkey pop shot. They saying that it's being spread among gay men. That's crazy. Cause remember HIV and stuff. Now they saying, I don't know what it is difference with gay man and heterosexual sex of transmitting the monkeypox. They say pus, blood, I guess. Maybe that's it. And you know what can go on. You don't use your imagination, because I plan on using mine a whole lot more than usual. Well, it's been a pleasure talking to y'all. And I got to put my phone on my little camera stand so I can quit looking down like I'm looking down at the camera. I need to be looking up. Because, funny thing happened on my crafting video. My husband said, do you know your breasts are lopsided? And I said, what? Let me go check it out. In that shirt I was wearing when I made my crafting video, my titties was jacked up in my video. And then when I put that thumbnail, one titty was like my whole titty fell off. But the shirt was snatched and grabbed me in a certain way that had my breasts looking like that. Well, that's what happened. Well, I got I'm putting my Spirit Booster thumbnail up now. I'm through together a little Spirit Booster thumbnail. And I got to make it better because I like those colors. And I have to make it a little bit cuter. Y'all haven't seen it. You're going to see it on this thumbnail because I'll put up another Spirit Booster thumbnail. I'm loving it. Loving it, loving it, loving it. But yeah, California people, be careful out there. But I don't know why I'm warning y'all. Y'all don't listen to me. Ain't nobody coming through. So, in this 21st century, I hope to do so much greater. And I hope that people I'm surrounded with will be great too. In attitude, promise, personality, love, respect. Respect me. Respect me. Don't come over here disrespecting me. If you're coming, come armed with some encouragement, inspiration, motivation. Don't come over here to discourage, pull down, beat up, and you know the worst. This is a spirit boosting channel still. Lifting up spirits, sharing what's going on so people can, do their own research. Black folks, be careful. Any folks, on the other hand, be careful too. Because bullets have no names. Dangers have no names. It's just, hey, you just got to watch out for yourself. And on that note, Miss JENITA gone. Stay in survival mode. Stay in survival mode. Stay in survival mode. And I'm out. Bye.